In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbs up icon in Figma. First, start by signing into your Figma account and opening the file or project where you want the thumbs up icon to live. Make sure you're in the editor view so you can place and adjust elements on your canvas. It helps to zoom in a little on the area where you plan to add the icon so you can see what you're doing clearly. Next, we'll grab the icon from Figma's resources. Press Shift+I on your keyboard to open the Resources panel. This is where you can quickly find ready-made assets, including icons. In the search bar at the top, type thumbs up or like, then give it a moment to load the results. Browse through the options and pick a style that matches your design. When you've found the one you want, click it, then click. Insert in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The icon will appear on your canvas. You can now move it by clicking and dragging, and you can resize it using the corner handles. If you want to keep the proportions perfect as you scale, hold the Shift key while dragging. Aim to place it where it supports your layout and reads clearly at the size you intend to use. With the icon selected, look to the Properties panel on the right side of the editor. This is where you'll find controls for things like fills, strokes, opacity, and alignment. Small adjustments here can help the icon feel consistent with the rest of your interface. If you want to change the outline color of the icon, keep it selected and find the Selection Colors section in the right-hand panel. Click the color swatch there to open a color pop-up. You'll see a Libraries tab first. Switch over to the Custom tab to access the full color picker. From here, choose the exact color you want for the icon's outline. You can enter a hex code if you have a brand color, adjust the hue and brightness sliders, and even tweak opacity for a subtler look. Click outside the pop-up to confirm, and the new color will apply immediately. That's all you need to place and style a thumbs up icon quickly in Figma. You've opened your project, inserted the icon from resources, positioned and resized it, and customized its outline color from the Selection Colors control. Give it a quick look at 100% zoom to confirm it's crisp and legible, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.